Gems of wisdom. Anyone who loves as a albeit must be ready to face a life of austerity. No wealth is more useful than intelligence and wisdom. No solitude is more horrible than when people avoid you on account of your vanity and conceit, or when you wrongly consider yourself above everybody to confide and consult. No eminence is more exalting than piety. No companion can prove more useful than politeness. No heritage is better than culture. No leader is superior to divine guidance. No deal is more profitable than good deeds. No profit is greater than divine reward. No abstinence is better than to restrain one's mind from doubts about religion. No virtue is better than refraining from prohibited deeds. No knowledge is superior to deep thinking and prudence. No worship or prayers are more sacred than fulfillment of obligations and duties. No religious faith is loftier than feeling ashamed of doing wrong and bearing calamities patiently. No eminence is greater than to adopt humbleness. No exaltation is superior to knowledge. Nothing is more respectable than forgiveness and forbearance. No support and defense are stronger than consultation.